An example of a pathway that you could pursue in the animal science program is you would join us and you would get these credentials and you would build your resume and your skill set. That could jump you into a program or a career that would allow you to work for maybe $12 an hour at a vet technician's lab or a veterinary clinic. From there, you might be able to do a 2-year degree to become a certified veterinary technician. This could give you an opportunity to earn $30,000+ a year. With some extra education, you could go back to school and you could even pursue a doctorate of veterinary medicine. And even though that takes more time and effort and can cost a lot more, the earning potential is well into the 6 figures. The doctors that I've worked with and that our students work with at this program have not only gotten their doctorate of veterinary medicine in order to earn that high wage, but they also decided to open their own hospital. These individuals are now making $250,000 a year because not only are they experts, skilled professionals, doctors, but they are also business owners and entrepreneurs. And one thing that we like to do is we like to teach you some of the entrepreneurial, business, and soft skills that you're going to need to be successful in those realms too.